In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the YouTube pause automatically. For that, the process is very simple and easy. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button. You've subscribed to our channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So what you have to do is to make sure that your application is up to date. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you have to do is to go to the Play Store and search the YouTube, and once you have done that, make sure that it's up to date. If it's not up to date, go ahead and update it. So the other thing is that you have to check one thing out, that your YouTube application is not consuming more RAM than your system. If it consuming more RAM, then it wouldn't be able to manage the video. So it won't be able to keep playing the video. So if it's not consuming much of the RAM, then what you have to do is to go to the application information, and in the application information, what you have to do is to clear the cache memory. Go ahead and clear the cache memory. So by doing so, your issue will be fixed. So that is how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.